You might be surprised to learn that some dual-zone air fryers can cook two different meals at the same time, with separate temperature controls and independent cooking zones. But with prices ranging from $170 to over $270, you're probably wondering which one is worth the investment. As you consider your options, you're likely thinking about how a dual-zone air fryer could change the way you cook for your family. We've researched and compared some of the top dual-zone air fryers on the market, considering factors like cooking capacity, temperature control, and ease of use. Our list is geared towards families who want to cook healthy, delicious meals without the hassle of using multiple appliances. Whether you're a busy parent or a health-conscious home cook, we'll help you find the best dual-zone air fryer for your needs. In this article, we'll dive into the details of each product, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses, and providing you with the information you need to make an informed decision. The Philips Dual Basket Air Fryer 3000 series is a solid option for families who want to cook a variety of meals with ease. With two differently sized drawers, you can cook a main course and a side dish in different portions, which is perfect for families with varying appetites. The air fryer also features preset programs for fresh fries, frozen fries, chicken, meat, veggies, fish, and cake, making it easy to get started with cooking. The Philips Rapid Air technology provides odor-free frying, roasting, baking, or grilling, and the HomeID app offers step-by-step recipe guidance tailored to this model. However, one drawback is that the product listing didn't include any customer review summaries at the time of our research, which might make it harder to gauge its performance in real-world use. The Philips Dual Basket Air Fryer 3000 series is priced at $249.95, which is on the higher end of the price spectrum, but its unique features and preset programs might make it worth the investment for some families. The Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone Technology 25 QT Air Fryer Oven is a large and powerful air fryer that can handle big meals with ease. With two independent temperature zones and quick sync technology, you can cook two foods at once and have them finish at the same time, which is perfect for families who want to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. The 25-quart capacity is massive, and the dividers are removable for extra-large batch cooking, making it easy to cook for big gatherings or events. One longtime owner switched from their full convection oven and now uses it daily, citing more consistent results on frozen pizza and fries. However, the large XL crisper tray for batch cooking with the divider removed is sold separately, which might be a drawback for some families. Additionally, some customers find the manual light on step-by-step guidance for less common functions like dehydrating. The Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone Technology 25 QT Air Fryer Oven is priced at $269.99, which is the most expensive option on our list, but its large capacity and advanced features might make it worth the investment for big families or those who like to entertain. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL 8 QT Clear Cook Air Fryer is a versatile and feature-rich air fryer that can handle a variety of cooking tasks. With 8 cooking functions, including sync cook and sync finish, you can cook two things at once and have them finish at the same time, which is perfect for families who want to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. The Even Crisp technology uses 95% less oil than deep frying, making it a healthier option for families who want to reduce their oil intake. The Clear Cook window lets you check on your food without opening the basket, which is a convenient feature that can help you avoid overcooking or undercooking your meals. However, some customers report that the unit can break down after about a year of daily use, which might be a concern for families who plan to use it frequently. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL 8 QT Clear Cook Air Fryer is priced at $189.99, which is a mid-range option that offers a good balance of features and price. The Cosori Dual Air Fryer is a budget-friendly option that still offers a lot of features and functionality. With two independent 4-5-quart baskets, you can cook two different meals at once and have them finish at the same time, thanks to the sync finish feature. The air fryer also features a touchscreen interface that is intuitive and easy to use, making it perfect for families with kids or those who are new to air frying. The max temperature of 450 degrees F is higher than some other models, and the 85% less oil claim is a significant advantage for health-conscious families. However, the max temperature varies by cooking mode, so it takes a bit of reading the manual to get the settings dialed in, which might be a drawback for some families. The Cosori Dual Air Fryer is priced at $169.99, which is the most affordable option on our list, making it a great value for families on a budget. The Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart 6-in-1 dual-zone 2-basket air fryer is our top pick for families who want a reliable and feature-rich air fryer. With 2 independent 4-quart baskets, you can cook 2 different meals at once and have them finish at the same time, thanks to the Smart Finish feature. The air fryer also features a match cook button that copies settings across both zones, making it easy to cook a large quantity of food. One reviewer reports barely using their oven anymore after 6 weeks of daily use, which is a testament to the air fryer's versatility and convenience. However, one safety concern is that the unit can be powered on and start heating even without the baskets inserted, which might be a concern for families with curious kids. The Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart 6-in-1 dual-zone 2-basket air fryer is priced at $187,000, which is a mid-range option that offers a great balance of features and price. You can find more information and purchase the Ninja DZ201 by clicking the link in the description below. In conclusion, our top pick for the best dual-zone air fryer is the Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart 6-in-1 dual-zone 2-basket air fryer, thanks to its impressive features, ease of use, and overall value. However, it's essential to remember that prices can change, so be sure to check the links below for the most up-to-date pricing and to find the best dual-zone air fryer.